Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up, scale, and manage a Depop dropshipping account. So I'm going to go through absolutely everything from setting up an account to shipping off products, and I'm going to help you start your Depopping journey because genuinely it's such an easy thing to do. You can actually do it with no money, like genuinely not a single cent, and you can start making your first dollars online. If you do already have a little bit of money to invest, that's going to help you massively, but this is something that you can do, and I did without spending a single cent at the start. So first thing you want to do is go to Depop. Then you want to, if you already have a Depop account, you've already, for whatever reason, you're already a seller or you're already a buyer, log into that. If you don't have an account, come to this sign up here, on the sign up button. And it's going to come to here. You're going to continue with email. I'm just going to take you to this page. Fill out your name, your email address, and come up with a username. Make your username something to do with your first and last name. So say your first and last name's John Doe. Make your username something like John_Doe. You just want to show that you are the same person. I do have other videos covering setting up usernames, but that while you're at the start, we're just going to keep it simple. Use your real first and last name and use a username that fits your first and last name. Put password in, put where you are in the world. I'd put your actual location, but you can lie and put a different one. You may get banned doing this though. Then you're going to press next. It'll take you to signing up an SMS verification for your phone number. So go put your phone number in, get the code texted to you, and then put that in. Then your last step, if you live inside the US or UK, you're going to put your bank details in. That's not your card numbers. It's actually only your bank details. So they'll only take money out of your, they'll only deposit money into your account. They won't be taking any money out of it. You're not giving them the information to take it out, only to put it in. Or if you live outside of the US or UK, you can put your PayPal in, and that way you can get paid out instantly. So you go through, you'll sign up here, do your SMS, put your banking or PayPal information in depending on where you live, and press next, and it will sign you up and you'll have a Depop account. Alright guys, so after you've gone through and done those last 3 previous steps, it will take you to here. So this is my Depop account that I run for this YouTube series. It's not one of my normal ones that I sell on, but it will take you to here. Now when you go into your profile here, because this isn't a brand new account, I've already fitted it out, you won't have a bio here. You'll just have Jeffrey, your name, and you won't have any items. That's what you're going to start with. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do so you can actually start making money is sell a product. So you're going to go to sell now. But to actually get the product, because you don't have a product, remember we're drop shipping, you have to go and find a product somewhere. Now you can just wander aimlessly scroll AliExpress. That is something that you can do. I personally wouldn't recommend it because you don't know the quality, you don't know any of that type of stuff of the product, how long it will take to get there. I'd personally either buy a supplier list from someone that you trust, or if you don't want to do that, I do have other videos on how to spot a good AliExpress product, or if you want to join the Discord and get help, you can do that. I've got the link down below. So you can either aimlessly scroll and hope you can find something, or sign up and get suppliers. But anyway, so I'm going to go to, this is something from my supplier list. You can just find it on AliExpress, of course, but I've personally tested the shipping time and the quality of the product. So what you're going to want to do is you just want to go simply screenshot the photos as you can see me doing here. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got my 3 images screenshotted. Now, while you're at the start, I just go to screenshotting because you're never actually going to touch the product. So just screenshot and then come back to your Depop here. And literally all you can do, drag and drop them. That's all you're going to do. Now, I have a pre-made template for what I use for my products. So I'll show you what my pre-made template is. I'll come to, I already have posted this item before, so I'm just literally going to go through and steal it. Here it is here. So I'm just going to go through and steal this and then paste it into here. So don't just go steal someone else's their description. Just make one of your own, and then you can just continue to use it. Use a little bit of AI or ChatGPT if need be. So I'm just going to fix this up so it looks good, and do have 4 to 5 hashtags in your listing. So I'm now going to go here. It's a men's jewelry product. It is a bracelet. I'm not going to do occasions or stuff like that. Brand, it's other, don't lie. You're not reselling fake items here, you're just reselling jewelry. And condition, it's brand new. Source, it is a custom and designer. Age, I'm going to leave that again. I'm going to boost. If you've got a brand new account, you won't have this boosting feature. You'll have to wait 1 month until you're able to have this boosting feature. But if you already had an account, you will have this boosting feature. Boost it if you can. It doesn't cost you a cent, like at all. They like as it says, pay an 8% fee only if you sell. So if you don't sell, it doesn't cost you anything. So it's really a no-brainer. So I'm just going to do, so this product $9 and it's going to be like another $3 once I add on tax and shipping. So I'm going to sell this for $24.90 and post that. Then bam, that's literally it. Sold. Sorry, not sold, listed. That's as easy as it is. So literally in the few minutes that I've just spent doing this, we found a product. Well, this was from my supplier list, but you could just mindlessly scroll through until you find something you like and looks like good quality, good reviews, good shipping, or you can find a supplier in the Discord somewhere. You literally screenshot that, you upload them to here, you put your listing on, and then that's it. That's literally how easy it is. And as you can see, it's here. So if this is a brand new account, you won't have all these other ones. Obviously, you just have your first one that you've posted. Now, at the start, post 3 to 4 times a day, put out good quality images, and you will start to get views. You'll start to get, in over a period of time, you'll start to get sales. So that's literally how easy it is and what you have to do when it comes to setting up an account and listing an item. Like you saw how long it took. It was literally, didn't take long at all. So that's what you're going to do. All right. So say after a few days, you've uploaded 3 to 4 products a day. Say it's been 5 days, you've got 20 products up on your store. You're going to want to come to your selling hub. Now you will be getting stuff like this where people are liking the item. So what you can do is you can just send the price to them for cheaper. So, 16 people altogether. I'm sending an offer to 16 people. There you got it. People like this, I'll send it to $24.90. Same thing. To manage, comes into the management side. So you're just going to send out offers to people because you're going to get people that buy it. They've liked it for a reason. And so they're going to see that it's there and then they're going to go, I do like that. And then they're going to purchase it. If you send them out offers and it's cheap enough. So you always want to send out any offers you've got here. You can go see all and you'll see hundreds of offers of likes that you get. So if you're posting regularly, you will start getting those likes very quickly. Now, after a few days, or it might take up to a week, may take 2 weeks, may take a month, you will get a sale. If you're uploading every day, you are being consistent, you will get a sale. It's impossible not to get a sale. I would pay money to anyone that consistently uploads every single day for a month, 3 products a day, and doesn't have a sale at the end of the month. I would pay someone money if that happens to them because you will get a sale. As you can see, I sold this the other day. So now I'm going to go through the process of shipping out an item to a customer's house once you got your first sale. Okay, so you've got your first sale. So you'll come here and it will tell you what you sold. You click on it, let this load. Now here, above this marked as shipping and below status awaiting shipping, you've got your customer's information. Now, you're going to use this information that's there to put it into your AliExpress so you can get it shipped to their house. So we'll go to AliExpress, say, that's not the item. They got the necklace, so I'm just going to go quickly find that necklace, the Y2K necklace. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to buy, just literally click this buy now. It's going to take you to this page. Now I use PayPal, and altogether it's going to cost me $6. And she paid, we'll go back and look at it in a minute. But, so shipping address, you'll press change, and then you'll go through, you press add new address, and then you'll type in the person's address. I'm not going to do it because I've got a bunch of people shipping addresses from when they've purchased stuff. But you go back to your Depop, you'll grab all of the information here. It's got her name and all of her information on it, where she lives. And as you can see, I sold it for $25. It cost me $6, so $19, $18 for $39 profit. And so you're going to put all of her information up here. Then all you're going to do, once it's in, you've got all of her details. When it comes to phone number, if they don't give you a phone number, just put your own in. It doesn't matter whatsoever what phone number's there. The actual AliExpress will just send you a photo to say it's confirmed the shipment. But you'll put all of that information in here that you get from Depop. You put in your payment method. I just use PayPal. I'm in Australia, so all of my stuff with Depop goes through PayPal, and that's done for tax reasons. So I just don't have to go through and find all payments going in and out of my bank account. I can just have all in PayPal and pay me once a month from PayPal or whatever. And then this is the item that they ordered. And then you're just going to press pay now. You just, press PayPal. If you're not using PayPal, you're using a card, you'll press pay now. And that's literally it. It'll then take you to a page that confirms the order. And then that's pretty much it. All that's left for you to do, so once you press pay and it goes through, all that's left for you to do is come back here and you just press mark to ship. Now it's going to ask you, who did you ship with? I'm not going to put any of that information in. It's going to tell me to give you a tracking number also. I'm not going to put any of that information in because I don't need to. Like this, I can literally just there, mark item as shipped and done. So I haven't provided who the shipping is. I haven't provided a tracking number, but I've shipped it. And that's all I need to do. So now the customer's just been told, hey, they've just been told, hey, the seller, so me, Jeffrey Hansel, I'm just using a fake name for this YouTube account for this particular Depop account, but I'll get a confirmation saying Jeffrey Hansel has sent out your product. So now, after you press paid, in 10 days, if you get a good supplier, the items here will end up at your person's house. Okay, so that's it. So your customer will receive their product, and then you basically just scale that. So you post multiple times a day. If you can start getting multiple accounts, and you can see how quickly an income can start coming in. So it's a really good side hustle to do. So I hope I've covered everything that you are confused about or didn't know, or if you're brand new to this, I hope this explains what the Depop dropshipping is. There are plenty of other videos on my account that go through specific parts of an item. So like how to set up your account properly, whether you want to sell as a business or as an individual, what your bio should be, stuff like that. So check out the other videos on my account if you're serious about it or still have any questions. You can leave questions down in the comments and I'll get back to them. I do have a Discord where, as you can see, people are actually printing money, making thousands of dollars. Even some people are just getting their first sales. There's a link for that down below if you're interested. And that has the suppliers in them so that you can have good products that arrive within a short amount of time. But other than that, I hope this video was informative and happy earnings.